Problem solving means completing the task within the given time and with the given constraints. Constraints means conditions, children. Okay, so within the time you have to finish the task, and conditions, whatever conditions they have given, you have to follow them. So if you resolve with that conditions in that time, that is called best problem solving. Okay, if any problem I gave you, how will you solve? Okay, they gave some general examples for problem solving. Problem solving means not only computers, real time, in real time situations also. Okay, so many problems you can solve if you improve this thinking. In real world situations also, if you have any problem, you can solve with the help of this thinking. First frame steps for everything. Okay, so reasoning is one important task which you need for problem solving. Okay, reasoning refers to acts of thinking about something. Reasoning means thinking about something. Okay, so you have to think for the problem. First, see children, they gave some steps for party, birthday party. If you want to conduct or if you want to celebrate the birthday party of someone, okay, or your brother or your birthday party, then what will you do? Frame some steps. That is the first task they gave in the textbook. What will you do? First, make a list of invitees. Invitees who should be invited for the party, you will prepare a list. And inform invitees through phone call or email. Okay, inform invitees through phone call or email. Okay, we need to inform them through phone call. We will call them or else we will send email. Next, invitees, invitations over. Then third task, make a proper seating and eating arrangements for them. Okay, in your home, okay, where they will sit, that seating arrangement, and what should be given as snacks, that arrangements you have to take care. That is third step. Everyone listen carefully. I will ask you these questions. Okay, say some steps to conduct the birthday party. Then you need to say what are the first step, second step, like that. Okay, fourth step, make arrangements for their entertainment. Entertainment means some music, dance, you have to arrange. Then the children will enjoy, or else who came to party, they will enjoy. Next, fifth step, greet the guests with love and warmth. Warmth means some love and affection you have to show towards them. Greet the guests with love and warmth. Okay, so you have to show some love. Then only your guests will come to your home. So that is fifth step. Next, that means you are doing the task now. Sixth step, enjoy the party. Okay, finally, if you do all these five steps successfully, then what will be the output? Enjoy the party. You will enjoy the party. Okay, so four steps you saw, no, those are all input for the party. We need some input. Input means some before tasks, before the party. And fifth step is when the guests came to the party, okay, you need to greet them with love. Okay, when they will come to your home, no, then you should not shout at them. You should not be rude with them because they came for you, for your party. So you should speak with love and warmth. That is fifth step. Okay, so this is process, input, process, output. Output, what will be the output? Enjoy the party. Like this, all the computer works also will work input, output, process. Okay, input, process, output. But the steps, formation of steps is very, very important. How will you frame the steps for computer problems? Before going to computer problems, they gave these general examples. Okay, and some other examples also they gave children for framing the steps. For framing the steps. Now this work, if I explain, you can't understand children. One or two examples I will explain, then I will start asking you. This lesson is very interesting if I make it interactive. That means if you involve, then it will be easy. Okay. First example I will say. Second example I will ask you. You should say the answer without seeing the textbook. Your guess, what will you think that guess you need to give? First one, see, first example. These steps, see children, for the birthday party they gave, and three or more examples they gave like that. In that, the first one is your little sister doesn't know how to brush her teeth. Okay. Your little sister, that means your younger sister, don't know how to brush her teeth. Okay, then how will you say to her some suggestions or steps? How will you train her for brushing her teeth? That steps they gave. Help her by giving stepwise instructions. Okay, now first step is pick toothbrush from the holder. Okay, brush holder will be there. No, from that she has to pick her brush. Then rinse the brush and turn off the tap. Brush she has to rinse. Rinse means you need to wash the brush first. Then wait a minute, children. Now third step, apply toothpaste on the brush. Okay, that is the third step. Fourth step, start brushing your teeth. Okay, so she need to start her brushing her teeth. Next, clean after brushing, clean the brush and rinse her mouth. Rinse your mouth. Next, put the brush back and pick tongue cleaner and rinse it. Okay, after she put her brush back, she need to get the tongue cleaner. Then, after finishing the task, seventh step, clean your tongue. You have to say all these to your younger sister. You are saying her step by step. Next, eighth one, clean the tongue cleaner and rinse your mouth again. So, tongue cleaner and rinse your mouth. Next, finally, ninth step. Okay, you get the desired result, that is fresh and germ-free mouth. Okay, these are the steps you have suggested to your younger sister when she don't know how to brush her teeth. So in this way, you have to frame some other general example steps. Okay, so second example, now you don't see the textbook, but you need to give me the answer, children. Okay, so without seeing textbook, guess yourself, your own guess you can say. What will you guess about? Question is, write down the steps required to pick your school bag for the next day. Okay, for the next day, you have to prepare the school bag. What are the steps to prepare it? I'll stop my share screen and I will ask this question to Jasmita. Jasmita, are you there, Nana? Jasmita. Okay, so whatever you think, tell me the steps to prepare school bag for next day. Your own thinking you can say. First, what will you do? Stepwise. First step.
First, we will open the bag.
First we will take bag. Okay, mute yourself.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah.
I'm Advika.
Prashant.
Can I tell?
Prashant, you sit properly. What are those pets and that screen logos? Why are you playing with them? See, immediately off her camera. Off his camera. Not even sitting properly, playing with that screen pictures. Okay, first step, Jasmita, you told that we need to take the bag. Okay, Jasmita, you mute yourself. Advika, you tell me second step.
Ma'am, take out your school bag. Yes, ma'am.
Take our school bag. That is first step. What is the second step?
Take out the school diary. Put the books in your bags.
Put the books in your bag. Before that, what books you will keep in the bag? All the books you will keep in the bag. You need some guidance to keep your books in the bag.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
see the table.
Timetable. Yes.
Timetable and put books.
Yes.
And put the books.
Yes, very good. Next, third step. Suhana, will you say? First, second step, we need to see the timetable from our diary and we need to put the corresponding books in the bag. Okay, so first, after seeing the timetable also, we need to set right the books. We need to collect all the books because in the timetable, whatever subjects are there, that subjects we need to get from our home. Then we will keep them in the
Ma'am, can I tell the next step?
Suhana, tell me the next step.
Books and notebooks, keep them in a bag.
Okay, we have to take all the books and we should keep them in the bag. Okay, mute yourself. Somebody saying that next he will say. Don't see the textbook. I already told. Own suggestions.
That is
I am asking. Who is that?
Ma'am, I ma'am.
Bahiti. Bahiti say.
Yes, ma'am. I will go to the library and I'll search whatever books we need for the next
Yes.
session,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then we will keep those books in the bag. Till then over. Next, what will you do? We will close the bag. We will close the bag. Okay. We will zip. We will zip. We will close. And then the bag will be ready for next day's school. Okay. Let me see the same thing. Whatever you told. Okay. What is there in the textbook? We will see now. Kanish, don't play with that screens. Everyone sit properly. Okay. So many of you did not on the cameras. Again, you off. See, now, first step, what did they give in the textbook? Open the bag. You have to open the bag. Next, second step, take out your school diary. Each and every step they told. All the steps they did not combine. Each and every step, take out your school diary. And third step, see the timetable. Fourth step, go to the bookshelf. Fifth step, take out the books and notebooks. Next, keep them in a bag. Close the bag. Okay, like this, all the steps they gave individually 7 steps came. These are small tasks, children. You may think that why ma'am is saying steps for this also, we need steps like that. But when you improve your thinking power like this, then in the future you can write computer programs very easily. So in order to improve your thinking power, they started these small problems. These problems means you know the answers. You can think. Very difficult, complicated problems, if they gave in the textbook, you can't understand them. You can't think the answers. That's why in your age, what type of problems you will solve, that type of problems only they gave as you are small children. But if you learn this technique, it will be applicable for big problems also. Big problems also you can solve with the help of stepwise thinking. Okay, for writing computer programs, it is mandatory. Programmer's skill it is. Programmer's skill. Okay, now the third case they gave in the textbook is, I am reading. I will ask to anyone this question. Be ready. Write down the steps for making a sandwich. Okay, you may ask for your mother's help.
Ma'am, can I
Okay?
say?
Wait a minute. Rajrushi, you tell me what will be the first step for preparing that sandwich? Don't see the textbook.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, take a toaster and keep the bread slices in the toaster and wait until the toast come out.
Yes.
And after that, next step is keep the veggies in the
Toasted bread.
keep the veggies
In the toasted bread.
in between the toast and third step is make them hot and eat it.
Yes, very good. Rajrashi told. Mute yourself. Next, Kartika, will you say the steps for preparing that sandwich?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. I have asked Kartika next. Prashant, I will give you chance. You tell me. How will you prepare the sandwich? With your own knowledge, whatever you can say, you say. No, don't see the textbook. First, what we should take.
On the toaster and keep the bread inside.
Yes, very good. Then,
After few minutes,
yes.
take out the bread and prepare this.
Yes. Vegetables. Keep the vegetables between it and again heat it. Okay, kids, the vegetables, sauce, whatever you want, powders, you just pour on it. And then close those 2 breads and again you heat them and ready to eat. They were ready to eat. If you keep on the stove and after cooked a little bit, it was cooked, then the sandwich will be ready. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, this is okay.
Can I tell?
Yes, Prashant, tell me.
First
we should take 2 breads and we should roast it. Then we should cut the vegetables and we should keep in that, and any leaves or creams we should pour in the sandwich, and we should take a pan and we should hot it and we can eat now.
Yes, yes, very good. That is also correct. Next, Ron, you did not on your camera. Okay, no problem. You tell me the steps for preparing the sandwich.
Mom, can I say?
No, let the Ron say, then afterwards I'll give chance.
Ma'am,
Unmute.
can I say?
Ron, you unmute, but you are not able to say what happened. Ron, any problem?
Ma'am, I think mic problem, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Then who asked me that? Rishik, Rishik.
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is that?
Ma'am, can I say?
Hasita, ma'am.
Hasita, tell me.
Ma'am, Jahnati.
Take toaster, bread slices, and chop the vegetables.
Yes,
Toast the bread.
yes,
Take out the toasts and put the vegetables
yes,
and sauce.
yes,
Then close it.
yes.
Then make it hot. Then it's ready.
Okay, very good, very good. Then somebody asked me that Hasita, before or after? Jahnavi, you tell me. Don't see, try to say in your own words, Nana. That is important.
Take toaster
Yes,
and take plus slices,
yes, bread
and we
slice.
should chop vegetables.
Yes,
In the plus slices, we should keep the vegetables which
Yes.
are chopped.
yes. Then,
We should keep that one in.
hmm,
Take toaster
yes.
in toaster.
Hmm.
After few minutes, which we should take
Hmm. Yes,
sandwich it over.
yes, very good, children, very good. Okay,
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
Okay.
say?
okay, Ojasvi, you tell me. Ojasvi, you tell me.
Ma'am, first we should take 2 breads, and after that we should take slice and vegetables, which are toasted, and we should keep the slice on the bread, and after that we should keep the vegetables on that, and after we hot it is ready, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Ojasvi. Very good, very good. See, in this way, different ideas you will get, no? So to solve the problem, okay, like that only, when I gave you computer programs also, different solutions everyone will get. Okay, but you have to think like that. Okay, and remaining children, I will ask the next topics, the questions in the next topic. Wait a minute. This is called stepwise thinking, children. Stepwise thinking. Let me see the steps which they have given in the textbook. First step, take a toaster, bread slices and chopped vegetables. All those you have to take. Next, spread butter on the bread slices. You have to spread some butter. Put the chopped vegetables between the bread slices. You have to put the vegetables. Next, grease the sandwich with oil. Okay, so oil you have to pour on the sandwich and place the bread sandwich in the toaster. Keep them inside the toaster. Then, so okay, switch on the toaster and grill the sandwich. Okay, you have to grill the sandwich on the toaster. Okay, you got it, I think, children. Like this, we frame the steps for activities. This is called stepwise thinking. It is important when you are writing computer programs. Not now, in the next coming years, they will come. Okay. Now, the next concept is, listen everyone, encoding and decoding. Encoding and decoding. Encoding is a process to convert the information into set of letters, numbers, symbols, okay, in the form of a code. See children, encoding means when any information is passing through the internet, we don't send the information directly, children. See, when you are doing some banking transactions, or else when you are buying some goods in the online, your parents will give card numbers. Did you know that, children? Did you know? Card pin numbers they will give. Okay, okay. That pin numbers are very secret, confidential. No one should see them. Is it right? If anyone copied the pin number, okay, your parents or your that means whoever using the pin, they will lose the money. They will lose the money. Who know the pin number, they will take the money from the account. So that pin numbers, okay, passwords, we are not going to give any other person. So while the passwords are traveling through cables, see, internet means some cables will be there, na? Outside also some cables, some cable connection in that race, all those connectivities will be there. Cable connection will be there. What the people will do is thieves. Thieves means who will try to take the money. What they will do is that cable will be there, na? Internet cable. Okay, that cable will pass from the road side, this side, that side. On the road only the cable will be, na? On the roads only. On the roads or on the walls. Okay, so outside they will be. What they will do, they will attach one more cable to this internet cable, and whatever information you are sending, they will take away the information. So if the information is secret, then your money, your personal details will not be taken by the thieves. Okay, you can keep them as secret. So when you want to keep any information as secret, then this encoding process is used. Encoding process is used. Encoding process means the information is not sent directly. Okay, it will be sent in the form of other letters. For example, I am sending my PIN code number as A123. If I type A will not be sent as A will be sent as F. Okay, 1 will be sent as 5. 2 will be sent as 7. Like that, all the numbers or information will be changed, and other letters, other numbers, other symbols will come in their place. Other numbers, other symbols will come. Listen carefully, everyone. Rajyasree, everyone listen carefully on your cameras and listen.
Okay.
Okay, so they will be sent like other numbers, symbols in the form of a code. In the code language they will go, so that we can keep it as a secret. They will become secret. If anyone in the middle, in the cable, okay, on the cable, if anyone try to catch the information, they will not get direct information. They will not get direct information. See, if I give A123, they will get F567 something else. There will be some encoding process. Encoding process will be there. That means conversion process. That is called encoding, changing. Okay, so that will be, encoding will be used by some organizations like banks, financial organizations, and whoever need some security to the information, they will use this encoding process when they need some security, because some information cannot be given to all people. They will be secret. In that situations, they will use the process of encoding. Okay, bank people need means bank people will use encoding. Financial organization, like any other financial organization who are giving money. Okay, so money oriented transactions, who will have, they will use this type of encoding process. Okay, hope you understood that encoding. Encoding means information is not sent directly. it will be sent like another set of combination of letters, numbers, symbols. Not what did you give. That will be like another set. Okay, now see, they gave after encoding. After encoding, okay, that the code will be sent through cable in the encoded format. It will reach to bank. For example, the user is doing online transaction, internet banking. He gave one PIN number, and that PIN number is encoded. Encoded means changed into another code, and it traveled through cables, some other towers, so all the places it traveled. The encoded information only will travel in the cables. Direct information will not be traveled because the cables will be outside. Thieves may grab the information. Thieves may thief that they will take away the information. So that's
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, wait a minute. Who said bye? Wait a minute.
Aman ma'am, Aman ma'am.
More 3 minutes there, Nana, for 9:40. More 3 minutes there. Wait a minute. Okay. So they will catch the information from.
Ma'am, it is showing 6 minutes.
But I started a meeting late, no, that's why it is showing. Okay, but you need at least 10 minutes break, no, children. Okay, that's why I will take at least 1 or 2 minutes, afterwards 41, that's it. 45 after 45 like that I don't take, because we will be having some other works to do, washroom, water, some relaxation you need, no? So I'm not taking full time. 10 minutes time is there, 1 or 2 minutes I will take. See, the encoded information will travel to the particular bank or organization. After reaching there, again the information is decoded. Decoded. See, your code is A123, but it send in the table that F567 like that. Then after reaching it, again it will be decoded. Decoding means converting the encoded message back into its original form. Conversion means changing the original information to another form, and that another form, what we did, that another form is again converted back into original form. That means A123 I gave, it went like F567, then again F567 will be converted to A123. That is called decoding. This helps us to understand its true hidden meaning. Okay, that means after decoding, the system is going to check whether it has been decoded and original information is came or not. Okay, like that, the secret information will be sent like encoding and decoding process. While sending here, encoding will be done. After receiving there, decoding will be done. Okay. Meanwhile, in the cables, it will not be sent directly. Encoded information only will be sent. Some examples for encoding techniques they gave children. How will they do encoding? First, okay, so different methods they gave children. Different methods they gave. First method they gave is reverse the words code. Okay, for example, PEN is the password. They will reverse it like NEP. Reverse the code. Reverse the words code. Reverse the words code. Word code. Words will be there, na, that word you reverse. BOY boy, YOB boy, yo. READ read is the password. Okay, you have. Then you can change it as DAER. Like this, encoded language means different methods. This is one method. There is no rule that to select this method only. Based on the organization, for example, State Bank people will use one type of coding, encoding, and another organization, for example, you think Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance is a financial organization. They may use another type of encoding. Okay, different methods they are giving to improve your ideology, children. This is important. Okay, listen everyone. Now in the next class, I will tell you another methods. Okay, so many people, they left the class without my permission. Okay, now for today you can leave. In the next class, I will explain the encoding, decoding process with example.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, I will show you my drawings to you.
Okay, show me fast.
Bye, ma'am. See you
Bye.
next.
Oh, very good. You did nice. Very good, Prashant. Keep it up. Do this type of things whenever you have leisure. Okay. Bye, children.